Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings application. From here you're gonna scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, Erase All Data. I'm gonna select Erase All Data once more. If you have a screen lock, you will most likely need to confirm it right now. And once you do so, you will be taken to this page. If you don't have a screen lock, it automatically takes you here. So from there, we're going to select Erase All Data once more, which will begin factory resetting our device. This will probably take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.